Let's turn objects into curves in Blender. First, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ins, and enable the Curves Extra Objects add-in. Select your object, press Shift-A, go to Curve, go down to Nuts and select Bounce Spline. Now hide your original object, select the curves, go to the Data Properties, and under Geometry increase the depth. For another cool effect, right-click and convert your curve to a mesh. And in the Modifier tab, give your object a wireframe modifier and decrease the thickness. But be cautious with computing power.